Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new M2 MacBook Air. I'm setting up the top-down camera angle and lighting for this unboxing and first impressions video. And I've got to say, I'm really excited to be checking out this model as I've heard so much about it. And for me, I think it's going to represent the perfect spec for my laptop on the go for video monitoring and streaming, casual video editing, and general word processing and web development tasks. Thanks to the efficiency of the M2 chip, the MacBook Air can deliver amazing performance without a fan, so it stays completely silent no matter how intense the task. I've gone for the Starlight color, which is one of the new colorways available that Apple have introduced recently, and you'll see what it looks like as we unbox it in just a moment. This is the 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD version with 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU. It comes in at around $14.99 US or 2,349 AU. It costs a little more than the base model, but with extra cores on the GPU and additional storage, it will really take it to the next level for video editing and audio production tasks, which is really important to me as a content creator. Let's take a look at what we get inside the box. Apart from the MacBook Air itself, which I'll place to the side for just one moment, we get the MagSafe power supply, which has been reintroduced after Apple took it away from recent MacBook models. You could say it's back by popular demand. The benefit of the MagSafe adapter is the magnetic grip, which easily locks into place and will detach if you accidentally trip over the cable, preventing a catastrophic fall. The base model includes a 30-watt power adapter, but this model, with a 10-core GPU and 512GB storage, comes with the 35-watt dual USB-C port power adapter, which also allows you to charge two devices at the same time. As usual, there are some Apple stickers inside the box, but instead of the generic white, these are actually colored to match the MacBook Air itself, in this case, the Starlight color. There's also a small setup guide and warranty leaflet. Speaking of color, you get a choice of the Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. I chose Starlight as in the past, I would tend to go for either Silver or Space Gray, so I wanted something a little bit different to what I would normally purchase. Although Apple have given it this intriguing name Starlight, it really could have been called Champagne, which to me is probably a more accurate description of the color. Under certain lighting conditions, you could almost mistake it for silver, but with the reflection of warmer lighting, the subtle golden hues become more apparent. So that's all for this preliminary unboxing and first impressions video. I'll be providing a follow-up in the form of a full unboxing and detailed review video with demonstrations of its performance and capabilities using certain creative software titles, including Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Logic Pro. So if you want to check that video out, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified as soon as the video is released. And by the way, the video that you've just watched today has been edited on the brand new MacBook Air. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.